This question is about integration. Find the exact area of the shaded region shown in the diagram bounded by the curve and the x-axis. So from the previous part, we have the diagram and the equation. To find the area, we need to find the terminals of integration. So we need to find the x-intercepts in between the shaded area here. So x-intercepts means y equals 0, and the y is x cos 2x. So we solve x cos 2x equals 0. This is a multiplication. So x equals 0 or cos 2x equals 0. So cos 2x equals 0 means the 2x is inverse cos 0, which is pi over 2. So the x is pi over 4. Now we have the terminals of the integration from 0 to pi over 4. The area is the integral from 0 to pi over 4 of x cos 2x dx. Now when you have a polynomial times a trigonometric, or a polynomial times a logarithmic or exponential, we always use the integration by parts. So this is the modified MF19 formula. Integral u dv equals uv minus integral v du. So what is the u? We have to identify the u. So the u is the x here. This is what we set as the u, and the v is the dv is the cos 2x dx. So if u is x, du dx, the derivative of x with respect to x, it's just 1, which means du equals dx. Just multiply both sides by dx here. And the dv is cos 2x dx. We integrate both sides and just use 1 here, so it's clear that the integral is v. Just like the integral of 1 dx is x, the integral of 1 dv is v. Now the integral of cos is sine. We divide by 2 because of the chain rule, because of these two. Okay, now we're ready to use integration by parts. We use u times v minus integral v du. So the u is x, the v is sine 2x over 2, the v again sine 2x over 2, and the du is dx. So we substitute everything still with the same terminals of integration. Now simplify. Here we have 1/2 x sine 2x, and here we can pull out the 1/2 out of the integration. So we still need to integrate sine 2x dx one more time. And the integral of sine is minus cos, divide by 2 because of the chain rule, because of these two. Now we have integrated everything. We just have to simplify a little. Minus 1/2 plus 1/4. Now we plug in pi over 4. Replace the x with pi over 4, and then with 0, and then subtract. So you can just try and use your calculator here. See if you can get exactly pi over 8 in exact value. If not, you're gonna have to do it by chunking this part only, what do you get, or maybe this part only, what do you get. Okay, so if you use your calculator here, actually you will get exactly pi over 4 directly. Pi over 8. Pi over 8 times 1 plus 0 actually, so just pi over 8. And when you plug in 0 here, you will exactly get 1/4 actually, because this is 0, so cos 0 is 1, so it's just 1/4. And finally, for the final answer, therefore pi over 8 minus 1/4. Alright, that's it for 5 marks. Okay, I'll see you again next